Hey friends, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Eileen. Welcome to my channel. Let's go jump into our Easter decor DIY projects, and it's Rustic. For this DIY, I will be using this board from Dollar Tree. I got it during Valentine's Day, and I covered the print with the shipping paper. I tried to use the stick glue, but it didn't work, so I used hot glue. Then I marked 5 inches from the bottom and used painter's tape. Then I also painted beneath it with the ink by Waverly. I gave it 2 coats. Let it dry and peeled off the painter's tape and put it back again. And we will be painting the top using the khaki by Apple Barrel. I gave it several coats, then I let it dry. And we will be using these stickers from Walmart. I just put the word "it is" and I will be using a white marker. I will write the word "finished." You can use your Cricut machine or stickers, but I just use this white marker to write it. And I also use the painter's tape to guide me so that the word is not flying around. And then I just went back and make the word thicker and fill it in. Then I grabbed this wooden cross from Dollar Tree. I stained it with my antique wax. And once it is dried, I grab an old candle and rub it on the cross, on the corner, mostly on the corner. And this technique is new to me. I learned it from my friend Beth. She is one of the subscribers here on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, Beth, for teaching me this technique. I really love it. I used it on this video a lot. And then once I put the candle, I painted it with my elephant by Waverly. I gave it 2 coats. Let the paint dry, then grab a hard gift card and scrape it where you put the candle earlier, and then it really looks amazing. It's chipped and old. I really love this technique, so for sure I will be using it on my other projects. Then I just use brush to clean it up, and we will be making bow. I made a simple bow using this brown checkered or brown buffalo check, and then I will be using another ribbon from Dollar Tree. I will make another bow. Then I will be adding this ribbon that I've got from Amazon. I will put the link on the description box below. I think it came with 12 bucks or 13. Yeah, and there are different patterns. And then I tied the 2 ribbon with the wire string with the bead like this. And I also added on the brown buffalo check that we made earlier. Then I hot glue all the ribbons on the board. Oh, and I also used the spackling from Dollar Tree to cover the whole of the cross. I thought it will, the bow will gonna cover it, but it didn't. So I put spackle on it and painted over it again. Then I just hot glued the cross on the board, and this ribbon is also came from the ribbon that I'm talking about that I've got from Amazon. I just hot glue it on the bottom part, and it's a nice detail for this project. To hang it, I used these string beads, which I repurposed from another project. Then you're done with this DIY. So what do you think? And guys, this video is a collab with these ladies hosted by Helena from Blondie Next Door. It's called the Mini Easter Hop. I will put the link on of the next person from the hop in the description box and in the comment. So make sure to check it out. For this DIY, I grabbed this board from Dollar Tree and I peeled off the paper, and it was easy. But we will be using the back of the board. I painted it using the antique wax. I gave it at least 2 coats and I let it dry. Then I will be using these stickers from Dollar Tree. I will put the word, I will be putting "He is risen." Then we will be using the same technique to distress the board. I will be using the old candle, and I just applied the wax on the corner. Oh, and wax on the board like this. And then I painted it with my Linen White chalk paint by Waverly. I gave it several coats. Then once the paint dried, I peeled off the stickers and I just cleaned it up, the bleeding with the wet wipes, and go back over it with the antique wax. And here I am again scraping the board using the card. I really fall in love with this technique. Thank you so much, Beth. Then I grabbed this cross from Dollar Tree. I just unscrewed the cross from the base. Then I will reduce the shininess of the cross by dabbing some elephant paint or elephant Waverly. Then I dab some white. Then I also use the antique wax to make it rustic. Then for more details, I grabbed these branches, and this is also from Dollar Tree. I just tied it with the twine and I made a bow to add it. Then I just add twine at the back. Then tada! You are done with this DIY. So what do you think of this project? For this DIY, we will be using this board from Dollar Tree. I just removed the stickers and I used my hair dryer to remove it, and it came off easily. Then I will be using the same technique again. I grabbed the old candle and rub it on the corner of the board. Then I just removed those excess of the candle and I painted it using my Elephant by Waverly, and then I let it dry and scrape it again with the card like this. I also got this Happy Easter from Dollar Tree. I did not record it how I did this part, and I'm sorry guys, but I cut off the happy from the Easter. Then I painted the Easter with my linen white chalk paint and distress it with the antique wax, and I painted the bunny with the celery by Waverly and then added some dash lines. That's it guys. And then to put it on the board, I used the cube blocks. I glued 4 cube blocks, then hot glue it on the board. Then I will be adding this spring vines that I have on hand. I just hot glue it on the board. And guys, look at my ring. Did you notice it changes color? I don't know what kind of ring is this, but I got it from the US Virgin Island last year. We went on a vacation for my birthday, and then I saw this and I'm like, what? So I grab it and I really love it. It changes color like a lot. There's green, blue, orange, or half. So yeah, I love rings. Then I added this egg nest from Hobby Lobby. I just hot glue it on the board, but later on I changed it and I made a simple bow and hot glue it on the bunny. And for the word happy, I will be using this small board. I cut it in half and I will be painting it with the celery by Waverly, and we will be using the same technique. So first I painted it with celery, I let it dry, and then I use the candle again to have that distress amazing look. And I painted again with my antique wax. I also added the word happy using the stickers from Walmart. Then I Mod Podge it and I removed the nest and grabbed some branches from outside and hot glue it on the board. then hot glue the nest and happy on the branch. Then you're done with this DIY. Then tada! Here is our rustic Easter bunny. I really love how it turned out and I hope you like it too. So that's it guys. Thanks again for watching and please tell me on the comment below what do you think of this project and what is your favorite. And also don't forget to visit the next person on the hop. And I will update you when is my next upload on the community tab because next week is my birthday. So yeah, maybe we will go on a vacation. Yeah, so I will just update you guys. So bye bye guys, take care and see you on my next DIY. Be safe and God bless you all.